Christina Papendick. I'm Conference Manager and Head of Division Conference Management at K.I.T Berlin. Thanks to the latest technological developments, the meeting world has changed significantly in recent years. Attendees are becoming more skilled and actively pursuing available technology. They want interactive participation, network possibilities on-site and online, and to share the content on social media. Therefore, designing a new meeting provides an opportunity to rethink traditional approaches. The meeting design must begin with the following: the goals you and your stakeholders wish to achieve, the content to be communicated, the information you want to collect. Using the hybrid event format, we bring two worlds together: the participants at the live event and the online audience in the digital space. This format opens new possibilities for maximizing data collection and enhancing the attendees' conference experience in new ways. Our experienced conference management team, together with our innovative virtual platform K.I.T, will help you make your next conference a great success.